Alright, today we're going to talk about how you can extract a number from a cell in Excel. Alright, and I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can do that. So basically we have a couple order numbers here. We want to separate the word order from the number, right? So we just want, in this cell, we just want 204, alright, and so on for all of these orders. So basically what we can do is then once we type it out one time, we can do the keyboard shortcut Control E. And that'll flash fill based on what we did here, and it will kind of recognize that logic and separate it here. So that's kind of the easiest way. Now there's another way you can do it. If you just want to you can do a text to columns function, which is going to basically separate this into order 204, right? So it's going to separate these columns. So basically what we can do is we can select that column. So we'll just click here on D, and then up at the top here we'll go to data, text to columns, and then we can kind of determine if we want it delimited or fixed widths, right? So we'll go with delimited here. So basically we're going to be separating it based on the space, because here we have consistent logic where it's order, space, number. So we'll go ahead and hit next, and we want it to be space. So then it'll kind of give you a preview of how it'll divide it. Then we can hit next, and then just hit finish. All right, so then that's gonna give us two separate columns, one with the order and one with the number, right? So that creates two new cells, whereas before it just flash filled and gave you the order number. Either way works, whatever works best for you, but that is how you can separate numbers from a cell within Excel. Thank you so much for watching, appreciate it, and have a great rest of your day.